If you are one of the millions of people living with diabetes, you're likely always on the lookout for natural remedies and strategies that can help you better manage your condition. One such remedy that has been gaining traction in recent years is the use of garlic as a complementary treatment for diabetes. In this video, we will talk about how to use garlic for diabetics. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button or hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Garlic, a staple in many cuisines around the world, is well known for its pungent aroma and unique flavor. But beyond its culinary uses, garlic has a long history of being used for its medicinal properties. Some of the most commonly cited benefits of garlic include its ability to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and boost the immune system. More recently, research has begun to examine the potential benefits of garlic specifically for people with diabetes. Several studies have been conducted to investigate the effect of garlic on blood sugar levels and diabetes management. In a 2012 study published in the Pakistan Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences, researchers found that garlic extract significantly lowered blood glucose levels in diabetic rats. The researchers concluded that garlic extract could be a useful supplement for controlling blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. In another study, published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2011, researchers gave 60 participants with type 2 diabetes either a garlic supplement or a placebo for 3 months. At the end of the study, those who took the garlic supplement experienced significant reductions in their fasting blood glucose levels, as well as improvements in their cholesterol profiles. In a 2014 study published in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Disorders, researchers found that garlic supplementation led to significant reductions in blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, and blood pressure in people with type 2 diabetes. The authors of the study suggested that garlic might help improve glycemic control in people with diabetes by increasing insulin sensitivity and decreasing insulin resistance. While these studies and others certainly provide intriguing evidence for the potential benefits of garlic for people with diabetes, it's important to remember that more research is needed to fully understand the extent of these benefits and how best to use garlic as part of a diabetes management plan. Other proven health benefits of garlic. Garlic can help protect against illness, including the common cold garlic supplements, are known to boost the function of the immune system. A large 12-week study found that a daily garlic supplement reduced the number of colds by 63% compared with a placebo. The average length of cold symptoms was also reduced by 70%, from 5 days in the placebo group to just 1.5 days in the garlic group. Another study found that a high dose of aged garlic extract reduced the number of days sick with a cold or flu by 61%. However, one review concluded that the evidence is insufficient and more research is needed. Despite the lack of strong evidence, adding garlic to your diet may be worth trying if you often get colds. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Oxidative damage from free radicals contributes to the aging process. Garlic contains antioxidants that support the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage. Eating garlic may help detoxify heavy metals in the body. At high doses, the sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to protect against organ damage from heavy metal toxicity. A 4-week study on employees at a car battery plant, who had excessive exposure to lead, found that garlic reduced lead levels in the blood by 19%. It also reduced many clinical signs of toxicity, including headaches and blood pressure. 3 doses of garlic each day even outperformed the drug D-penicillamine in reducing symptoms. Garlic may help you live longer. The potential effects of garlic on longevity are basically impossible to prove in humans, but given the beneficial effects on important risk factors like blood pressure, it makes sense that garlic could help you live longer. The fact that it can fight infectious diseases is also an important factor because these are common causes of death, especially in the elderly or people with dysfunctional immune systems. Now that we've discussed some of the studies examining the benefits of garlic for diabetes, let's take a look at how you can incorporate garlic into your diet. The good news is that garlic is incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide variety of dishes, making it easy to include in your daily meals. Garlic comes in several forms, from whole cloves and smooth pastes to powders and supplements like garlic extract and garlic oil. One of the simplest ways to enjoy the benefits of garlic is to add it to your favorite dishes as a seasoning. Garlic can be used fresh, dried, or in powdered form, and can be added to everything from salads and soups to stir-fries and casseroles. Just be mindful of the amount you're using, as garlic can be quite strong in flavor, and you don't want to overpower your dish. For those who prefer a more concentrated form of garlic supplements are also available. These supplements typically come in the form of capsules or tablets, and can be found at most health food stores and pharmacies. It's important to note, however, that the quality and potency of garlic supplements can vary, so it's crucial to choose a reputable brand and follow the recommended dosages on the label. If you're feeling a little more adventurous, you might want to try making your own garlic-infused oil. This can be done by gently heating a few cloves of minced garlic in your favorite cooking oil, such as olive or coconut oil, over low heat for about 20 minutes. Once the garlic has infused the oil with its flavor and nutrients, strain the oil and store it in an airtight container for use in your cooking. Garlic-infused oil can be a great addition to salad dressings, marinades, or simply drizzled over roasted vegetables for an extra burst of flavor. Another delicious way to enjoy the benefits of garlic is by making garlic tea. To prepare garlic tea, simply crush a few cloves of garlic and steep them in boiling water for about 10 minutes. You can add a bit of honey or lemon juice to improve the taste if you find it too strong. Drinking garlic tea regularly may help support your overall health, including blood sugar management. When incorporating garlic into your diet as a diabetic, it's essential to keep in mind that moderation is key. While garlic can provide numerous health benefits, consuming too much garlic can cause digestive discomfort and other side effects. It's also important to remember that garlic should be used as a complementary treatment for diabetes, rather than a replacement for your prescribed medications and other diabetes management strategies. As always, consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen, especially if you have diabetes or other health conditions. In conclusion, the research surrounding the potential benefits of garlic for people with diabetes is undoubtedly promising. With its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce cholesterol, and even lower blood pressure, garlic may be an excellent addition to a comprehensive diabetes management plan. Whether you choose to enjoy garlic in its natural form or as a supplement, incorporating this versatile and flavorful ingredient into your diet could be a tasty way to support your overall health and well-being as a diabetic. So go ahead, enjoy the benefits of garlic in your favorite dishes, experiment with garlic-infused oil, or even sip on some soothing garlic tea. By doing so, you'll not only be adding a delicious ingredient to your meals, but also potentially supporting your diabetes management efforts. Just remember to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen, and enjoy the flavorful world of garlic. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content about diabetes and nutrition. Stay healthy and take care.